Hello, as a continuation to the lecture 1, we are going to see the to be here. Hello and choose. Hello and chooses to say hello and chooses to say goodbye. Choose is a friendly way. It is not an informal way. Hello and chooses to say bye. Okay. Spielen Sie die Situationen. So play this dialogues. Hallo, wie heißt du? What are you called as? Ich heiße your name. Wer bist du? So for wer bist du is who are you? Also we can say I am so and so. So here we have to look for the verb. Whatever the verb here is used in the question is similarly the same the verb is using in the answer also. The bist, here it is bin, the conjugation of the same verb. It is the same verb. The parent verb is same verb. For the same verb is it is ich bin, du bist. Okay, the next one is wie geht's. Wie geht's is like yeah, it's going. So how are you doing? So how is it going for you, like that? So we can say it is danke, gut, danke, sehr gut. Und dir is and you, and then choose is thank you, it is bye. So for this wunder we can say all good, also good, and then danke is thank you, or else we can say es geht, it is going. So like that we can able to answer the wie geht's. So here in this the yellow box we are provided with W Frage, as we have seen in the first page learn Ziele. So W Frage is the questions we use with the W words is called W Frage. Wie heißt du? What are you called as? Wer bist du? Who are you? So for this the answer is ich heiße and ich bin, the name of the person. Okay. And then kennen Sie deutsche Namen oder bekannte deutsche Personen sammeln Sie? Okay. So here kennen is nothing but do you know, they are asking, do you know the German names and the famous German names, Germany names, they are asking. So sammeln Sie is nothing but collect or gather. Collect or gather. So if we like Google this deutsche Bekannte is famous deutsche Personen in Google, we could able to get lot of names. And then here we are moving on to the next part. Guten Tag, auf Wiedersehen. Guten Tag is good day. Auf Wiedersehen is okay, so I see you again. It is more formal. It is more formal. The otherwise it is I see you again. It is goodbye also. So it is more formal. This auf Wiedersehen is we use mostly in the formal situation. Okay. Guten Tag. Guten Morgen. Mein Name ist Nina Weber. Guten Morgen. Frau Weber. Frau Weber is Miss Weber, so it is more formal, as I have told you. Ich heiße Hansen, Oliver Hansen. So when we are saying, we have to say the second name first, that is called as Nachname, and then we have to say continuously we have to say the first name along with the second name. So it is Oliver Hansen. And then in the number 2 dialogue, Guten Tag, Frau Kowalski. Guten Tag, Frau Weber. Wie geht es Ihnen? How is it going? Ihnen is it is with respect. It is, I can say it is you with the respect. Danke, gut, und Ihnen, thank you, and you. So we can similarly we have in the formal, informal we are asking und der. But here und there is and you, which is friendly. But here und ihnen is more of a formal more formal and respect. It is used in the formal situation. That means and you. Okay. Auch gut, also good, danke, thank you. And then we have this word Guten Tag, Frau Weber. Hallo, Herr Hansen. Herr Hansen is Mr. Hansen. Das ist the meine Kollegin. Kollegin is feminine here. So they are saying meine Kollegin is my colleague, Natalia Kowalski. So her name is Natalia Kowalski. Guten Tag, Frau Kowalski. Mein Name ist Hansen. Guten Tag. Entschuldigung. I'm sorry. So wie heißen Sie? So if I couldn't able to hear the name of the person who is introducing himself or herself, so I have to ask by Entschuldigung, I'm sorry. Wie heißen Sie? What are you called as? Then this person must be saying their name, Oliver Hansen. Okay. And when we are about to leave, so this is what we call as Verabschieden. Verabschieden is to taking leave from the person. Okay, like when we want to say goodbye or bye. Okay, this is called, the term is called Verabschieden. The Verabschieden involves the key words like Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen is see you again. And Herr Hansen, Mr. Hansen. And choose. Choose is also sometimes it is accepted in the formal situation as well. And then Auf Wiedersehen, Frau Kowalski, and Auf Wiedersehen. Okay. And here we are provided with the Guten Morgen is good morning, Guten Tag is good day. So for the entire day, we can say the Guten Tag, but not in the evenings. Mostly it ends by 5 o'clock. So Guten Tag. By 5 we can say Guten Abend. We have to start saying by Guten Abend. And Gute Nacht is during the night time we have to say. And then Spielen Sie Dialog. So they are giving us to, play the dialogues in between the classes, the online or the offline class. Guten Tag, mein Name ist, my name is. So we can there are multiple ways we can say that ich heiße, or else you can say ich bin, I am. And then and also you can say mein Name ist. So my name is, like that. So you have a number of ways to say your name. These are the various ways you can say your name. So mein Name ist. So das ist the Frau. So when we want to introduce some person, vorstellen, we can. So this heading, it is like vorstellen is to introduce someone. Okay, das ist the Frau, Herr. Okay, so when we want to address a female, like this is so and so, means if it is a female, you have to very formal way. This is Mrs. Okay, Miss or Mrs. Similarly for a male, you have to go with Mr. This is Mr. so and so person. And then when we are taking leave, we can say Auf Wiedersehen, see you again. In this, the yellow box, they are giving the verb and the personal pronoun. Okay, the personal pronouns. In English, we call it as I, you, and she. Okay, so the first one is I, and the second one is you, and the third one is she. She is nothing but you with respect. Ich heiße. Okay, the verb is to be called as. To called as. It is called the heißen verb. And the next verb is saying. What we call in English is our verb. But it is a very irregular verb. The same verb, it is an irregular verb. We can't able to predict the how is it like what type of spelling it takes. So you have to. It is a thing that you have to by heart this verb. Ich bin, du bist, sie sind. Sie sind is you are. So this is you are again, but it is a difference between du bist is we always say with the classmates, the classmates, or else the people who are like younger we can say du bist. The children we can say du bist. And ich heiße is I am. Ich heiße, I called. I call as. Okay, I called as so and so person. Ich heiße, and ich bin. Ich bin is I am. I am, and then du bist is you are. Sie heißen is again you with respect you are. you. I always say that respect form. You respect, you are. The du bist is the formal, informal way. Okay. So in the du and the z, du is the informal. So I just put it as INF, and the other thing is the C is the formal you, and the informal you. Okay, informal you. So informal, when we are like addressing a person as informal, you have to always go with the first name. Du plus Varnama. Varnama is first name. So we heißt du. So the person will be saying ich heiße Nina. So the Nina is the Varnama. Varnama is first name. Ich bin, or else you can say ich bin Nina. And then the formal is C plus Nachname. C is you formal, and plus you always go with the second name. So C plus Nachname. So B heißen Sie, mein Name ist Weber, and so the Weber is the second name. Or else you can say, mostly the verbs which is used for the formal are heißen and Name. And it is also being used for the informal as well. Okay, so here ich heiße Nina Weber. So, but here we are given with one more pronoun, is called the pronoun. It is called you all. More than one person, more than one you, or okay, more than one you. We have to go with er, IHR. Okay, so it is also the meaning is you, but it is plural you. You plural. Ich heiße, wie ist Ihr Name? Ich heiße. Okay, so here it is not the year. The year, actually there are many year. The one is you plural, but here wie ist Ihr Name is ich. So the person, the particular, it is also applicable to the you feminine also. You feminine also we put it as Ihr Name with respect. Ihr Name. Okay, and then going back to the again to the B heißen Sie, the similar things again and again in order to learn these concepts very well. We will see in the next video, lecture 3. Thank you.